Hey, I'm Cesar. Today I want to show you how to use the WhatsApp API with a webhook, and in this case we are going to use Publi as connector. Okay, I mean you can use Zapier, Make, Publi because we use a 360 dialog WhatsApp API. The only way to make it work is with Publi. Doesn't work with Zapier, doesn't work with Make, so you need to use Publi to use it, and you need to have the WhatsApp API set up. You need to have the templates, and you need to have a Publi, and obviously you need to have your CRM. In this case, we are going to use our webhook, okay, because we need to connect everything together so you can see how this works. In this case, it's a very simple, hello world. I mean, there is something that is super simple. I'm going to click save and send, and this is going to send me a WhatsApp message that is going to be here. Okay, this is a hello world. That's super simple, super easy, automated, no human intervention, and you're going to see how this works. Okay, the idea is to explain you what you need to do if you want to automate WhatsApp messages. Okay, can be simple, it's easy, it's simple, it's paid. Okay, because a lot of people complain, hey, this is a paid solution. Yes, this is a paid solution. It's 25 euros, dollars more or less per month, and the cost per message. And you need to have a new number, and you need to have a Facebook business verify. Obviously, the requirements to get WhatsApp API are not easy. Only the setup takes time. You need to have these elements ready to go. You need to have a new number that I know is a struggle. I know it's hard, but if you want to do a WhatsApp automation, this is what it takes. Okay, a new number, Facebook business verified, and the account with 360. We help you. I mean, we help you all the way, okay? But you need to do it, okay? And you need to pay, okay? That's it. Once you have your account, the first thing to do is you need to create templates, okay? The templates can be like this, super simple, no variables. You can have buttons. You can add images. You can do pretty much a bit of everything in the templates. The variables, you will map the variables with your content from your CRM. You can add buttons, okay? That's that's something you need to do, or you can do. Templates can have different languages. So this is something you can define with the templates in the WhatsApp API. Templates are mandatory. You need to create templates to send messages to your customers based on events, okay? That's something you need to do. Once you have the templates ready to go, you go to your Public account and you connect the webhook. The webhook is, from your CRM, from our CRM. We send you data of customers, okay? There is a new request, there is a new customer. We send you the data to the webhook, and you connect the webhook so you can get that customer, from your widget into Public, okay? So step 1, WhatsApp API. Step 2, we connect the webhook with Public, okay? What we have with the webhook? With the webhook, you have let me see if we can see it here. Let's do a recapture. Let's see if there is some data there. In the webhook, we send you a lot of data. I mean, we send you obviously the information from the customer, but we send you everything: IP address, country, date, hour, location, UTMs, Gclead, FBClead, referrals. I mean, we send you as much data as we can, okay? So you have all the information about this lead, this customer, in the webhook, and you can use all that data to create events, to create variables, to feed the template. I mean, in the template you can add all that information, like, hey, welcome from Turkey, welcome from Indonesia, welcome from Argentina, welcome from. I mean, you can use the information we give you to create a personalized message for your customer, okay? So this is step number 1, is connect the webhook into Public. Step number 2, you can add things like a delay, for example. Inside Public, you have tools, to create things for your messages, like a delay, a condition, things like that. So you can create like an event, like a programmatic event inside Public, okay? Inside Public. So this is for you. The final step, you connect 360 dialog, okay? This is something you connect your account with 360. The same, 360 doesn't work with Zapier, doesn't work with Make, only works with Public, okay? If you want to do something automated with WhatsApp with 360, this is the way to do it, okay? You choose the template, okay? You can have different templates, so we are going to choose this template. We define the language, okay? In this case is Spain. The same, this can be a variable we send you. So for example, a US customer will get the US template. a French customer will get a French template. Okay, you can combine the templates based on the location of the user. The template can have a header, you can have URLs, buttons, you can have different elements you can define here. Okay, you define everything here. At the end, to who you are going to send the message, okay, the number, and that's it. And you click and it's done. And this is going to be working automatically. Okay, the moment you have a new customer in the webhook, the customer is going to get the new message. You can do welcome messages, shopping carts, recover shopping carts, pending payments, pending confirmations, booking notifications. Pretty much anything you do on email, you can do it on WhatsApp. How much is it? 25 per month. Is that crazy? I don't know. I don't think so. So if you think this is going to help you, if you think automated WhatsApp messages for your business is a good idea, if you think automated messages on WhatsApp about your events, about your payments, about your business, about your, I don't know, ideas, about anything you have is a good way to go, this is the way to do it. Don't think bulk messaging is the way to go. Bulk messaging is normally is lame, is stupid. Don't do it. Personalize messages based on events. That's the way to go. Something that is really important about your business and to me. That message I want it on WhatsApp. Crap, spam, marketing messages, I don't want them. Okay, I want something that really matters. Okay, this package is coming tomorrow. You have pending payments for your service. You have a new product that is important for you because XYZ. You need to renew your subscription. You need to renew your medicine, your pills, your prescription, things like that are important, that are helpful, that are relevant, should go on WhatsApp. And with that, you can do it. If you need help, if you need support, if you need us to help you doing things like this, please contact us. This is something that I don't think is crazy expensive, and it's something that is going to really help you. Pabbly works great, 360 works great, our webhook works great, so you can have everything together, and it's really affordable. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.